Man, I can't breathe. Is it any different from the last 30 years of my life? No. Come on now. That's just the media getting in your head a little bit. Ain't no hotter, ain't no different than it's ever been. It's always been a living hell out here into July, into August. Saturday. Were you motivated to go out here and work all day? No, I wasn't. But went and ran an estimate this morning for one of my clients. Probably like $10,000 job, doing some grade work, stump removal, getting the whole yard established as a yard instead of a forest. So that was good, wonderful meeting. But I still had a list left over from this week for mowing. I'm back to myself, solo setup today, and have this house and this house. That one's new. This one, plenty of videos on that. So, I also had the cul-de-sac. It's gonna be a killer of a day. Didn't feel like doing it, but there's no options. You're trying to be successful. There's no options. You can't stay at home just because your brain said it would feel better. You gotta get here and finish your responsibilities. I'll check back in. 40 minutes. Both houses weed eated. Both houses push mowed. So, time to jump on the skag. Knock out the easy work. Always. Let's do it. Show you around. After being in the lawn care industry for the last 30 years of my life, here are my top 15 tips for you to get to the next level. Number 1, do not be discouraged by the numbers. Your properties will come and they will go every year. Number 2, gear does matter and it does not matter. I can do $500 a day with a push mower just like I can with this Turf Tiger 2. Number 3, quantity leads to quality. The more you do, the better you get at it. Number 4, focus on one thing at a time. Getting better at one skill at a time, whether it's your skills out here on the job site or your business skills. Number 5, experiment with your services that you offer. Are they enjoyable? Are they profitable? Are they recurring revenue for you? Number 6, be high quality. Add value to your client's property every single visit. Number 7, be unique in customer service and relationships. Be kind. It adds value to you as a business. Number 8, be patient. This is a hard career and lifestyle. It'll take you 3 to 5 years to get that 6 figures you're chasing. 10 years to feel confident in what you've built. Number 9, focus on getting higher value properties to generate that year-round work. You need it. Number 10, always be consistent, stay on schedule. Always show up when you say you'd be there. Number 11, mastering this industry and knowledge and skill takes 10 years, equivalent of a doctor's degree or master's degree. Number 12, build your personal system for your lifestyle you want, your needs, your goals. Number 13, cut out the fluff. Cut out the overhead expenses, cut out unprofitable jobs and services you offer. Number 14, do not take shortcuts. Don't buy someone else's business. Don't buy a mowing round. Do it yourself. Number 15, punch fear in the face and get started now. Go 100% in on you every single minute of your life. Not too bad. A little different being solo again. Got spoiled for sure with the boys helping me out. But, hour and a half, 120. Let's roll on to the next place, guys. Come on. All right, 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Roasting hot. All you guys out here know it's just roasting. Is it any different from the last 30 years of my life? No. Come on now. That's just the media getting in your head a little bit. Ain't no hotter, ain't no different than it's ever been. It's always been a living hell out here into July, into August. At least in my environment, Virginia. That being said, like I said earlier, back to solo. There's my 1999 Dodge. And boom, the Turf Tiger. It'll knock this stuff out quick. But first things first, I gotta take the push mower. Yeah, so the push mower has to go way up here to that one. because we have a little patch of grass above that wall. It's the only way I can get to it. So we'll knock that out, and I got a little patch over here in the front that I do with the push mower. Other than that, wow, a lot of grass, a lot of weed eating. Just looking at these 3 mansions and the entrance, go ahead and throw in the comments right now before you watch the video how long it's gonna take a solo man like me to knock it out. All right, that's a lot of mowing, trimming, push mowing, blowing, just a lot. Throw in the comments real quick before you even start watching the video how long it's gonna take. If you've been following the channel, you should know how big they are. We'll see how long it takes. It's about 2:10. Peace. That's right, done push mowing, 30 minutes strong. All right, ended up having like 4 sections on the top mansion, 1 section on the middle one. Not bad. Definitely feeling the heat, and a lot of it has to do with this. Okay, this looks nice and shady, yeah, but I can't breathe. Like, most of your oxygen is released through your skin and your head and stuff when you're out here working. Man, I can't breathe. This already is nicer, okay? And yesterday, I actually soaked this in the ice cooler, put it on, and then weed eat it. And it was amazing. It was like, I was cold, had some chills going on. It felt good to start off with. So, hey, I'm a big fan of really cold, wet to start, you know, clothing, period. It cools off your body. So, thank God it's turf tiger time. And then I'll weed eat. Yeah. I'll check in with some footage, show you what it looks like as we go. Well, 4:20 break time. The turf tiger needed a break. I needed a break. Got the top mansion done. Got the middle mansion done. Got the castle front done inside. All I left is the back of the castle. Takes about 30 minutes double cut. And down the entrance here. And then I'll go ahead and grab the weed eater, knock out these houses, show you what it looks like, and yeah, thing I say last is the field, because look at it, pretty hot right now. So we'll go ahead and let that field cool off, and yeah, I went ahead and just soaked this thing, this shirt, just soaked it in the cooler, put it on, and I've been wearing this all day. And anytime I need to re-drench it, soak this in the cooler, put it over your shoulders, squeeze. Feels good, man. So that is done. Headed to the back over there. I'll bring you along this time, okay? Let you see the stripes that I've already done here and there. The ones I'm gonna throw down. Come on, let's go. So here's my call to action. I'm not gonna ask you to hit that thumbs up. I'm not gonna ask you to subscribe to my channel. I'm not gonna ask you to share this out. My call to action today is for each and every one of us to punch fear in the face. If you have fear of getting to where you want to be in life, it's that time. So I'm calling on you to punch your fear in the face and go all in on you 100% every single day. That is truly the only way that we can succeed out here as individuals in this crazy, chaotic world we live in. Hey, if you have anything else to add to these tips that I've thrown in the video, please throw these comments in there. Throw out more tips, more of your knowledge for all of us to learn from. Okay? We're all at different skill levels, different adventure times in our life, we can all benefit from this amazing community that you guys have built. Checking back in with you guys. It's an hour later. Backyard entrance mowed. It's 5:20. Time to get a weed eat on. So overall, it's been a nice day. My legs were only burning there for about 30 minutes. Other than that, I think starting late sometimes ends up better because there's a lot of nice shade. All those trees, see all that shade on the driveway? There's a whole lot of shade in these properties. There's more sun, of course, but you know what I'm saying. So, I'm gonna get my weed eat on real quick. We'll see how long it takes me. I'll probably take a little 10-minute breather, string the weed eater, all that good stuff. So, starting time for the weed eater will be 5:30 for 1, 2, 3 homes. Maybe the entrance too. We'll see. I'll let you know what time that finishes. All right, it's 6:40. 1 hour, 10 minutes. Took me to weed eat the 3 mansions, front, back, you name it, it got hit. All right, edged, flattened, whatever needed it, it's done. Did not have to do the entrance today. I alternate weeks. Last week we did a really good job on that one, so time saver. I'm gonna get a blow. That'll take, 30 minutes. Mow that field, and we'll get some footage of the turf tiger. Been sitting in the shade for a while. We'll get some footage of that field getting striped up. Okay, we'll check back in. Me, and the turf tiger. Whatever. So as a solo lawn care landscaper, let's jump back to number 9 on the top 15 list. Focus on getting higher value properties to generate the year-round work that you need for survival out here in the wintertime. This property here, I have videos of trimming. I have videos of the mulching, the cleanup process. It offers a wonderful year-round comfort zone for work, as well as the other ones in this cul-de-sac. This entrance alone, it takes 3, 4, 5 leaf cleanups throughout the leaf season. We don't come through here and mulch the entire place, so it's not a big banger when it comes to that. But honestly, I don't want to mulch that whole thing. Maybe every once in a while. Big properties, more jobs, more income for you. 7:50, 10 minutes to 8. Last thing on the mission, stripe up that field for you guys. So, set y'all up, throw it on speed feed, and knock that out. All right, I'll check back in when I'm done. It's been a hell of a day. Good day, just a lot of energy involved, for sure. I'll check back in. So at the end of the day, let's jump back to tip number 12. Build your personal system for your lifestyle, your wants, your needs, your goals. That is the freedom of living life on your own terms. The only way you'll have that freedom on your own terms is to be an entrepreneur. Be your own boss. Be in charge of your time. Be in charge of your destiny. And most of all, punch that fear in the face, man. Just go out and do this stuff. It's the only option you have for success. So here's the drain we did about a month ago. No washout. Looks beautiful. Yeah. It's 8:20. Everything's finished. What do we all do when we finish our route at the end of the week? We pray for rain. We do rain dances, right? Well, guess what? Mine worked. Rain. It's raining out. Woo! Nice little sprinkle. Finish the day out. So hey, like I always say, be good if you can. Always be kind and love each other. Above all, love each other. We'll check back in, man. I got like 4 videos to go ahead and edit and put together for you guys. And I'll always be around. Peace. Lee Landscape style. Well, it is 9:10. Just pulling up to the homestead. Pretty good Saturday. I don't know, 7 hours, over $500, so no complaints.